Hello! So I just wanted to do a quick spirulina tasting and reaction video. I get that a lot of people haven't had spirulina before, especially raw spirulina. But it's been great. It's been really amazing. I obviously I can't speak to any like health benefits that I feel from it. You know, it's not like a drug that I'm taking. But it is honestly kind of boring. It doesn't taste like a whole lot. Raw spirulina doesn't taste like a whole lot, but it has a super nice texture to it. So I've broken out my spirulina into a couple different dishes here. I added it to a kind of just yogurt mix that I made. I have some pomegranate in there, some blueberries, some chia seeds, walnuts, yogurt, and of course some spirulina. But the spirulina's texture is really nice, and it doesn't taste like a whole lot. But it's great just as an additive to other things. I will admit, when I first saw the spirulina, it's a little intimidating, but I think that's like anything new that you eat for the first time. Any food that you're not comfortable with, or that you haven't tasted, or felt the texture of it, it's a little intimidating. But honestly, it doesn't. It's kind of a boring food. It's great as a complement to other things, but on its own, it's just kind of a nice smooth texture. I can't say it tastes like anything. There's no real flavor. I harvested this maybe 3 or 4 days ago, and it's been in the fridge since. It has a very nice, it's firm, Well, it's not really firm, but I like that it sort of bunches together. It's like a jam or a jelly, I suppose. But yeah, it's real nice. Very green, it has a cool color to it. I'm not sure if you can see that super well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I like it. I'm glad I'm growing it.